Hello everyone. Today we are going to conduct here just a kind of a mock interviews. It's not a specific interview, but a kind of idea that it will give you how to crack a BYJU'S interview, okay, for BDA purpose. So today we have one of the BYJU'S working person, Yashovardhan. Okay, he will definitely introduce himself in front of you all guys, and we will be sharing here our experiences, especially Yashovardhan. He will be sharing that how he actually cracked the interview part, the only interview part. And definitely after this video, after interview part video, we will also sharing the actual experience that we are getting in our working atmosphere. Okay. So Yashovardhan, are you there? Yeah.
Hi,
Okay.
Dhruv.
Yeah. Hello. So introduce yourself, Yashovardhan.
Okay, first of all, thank you to inviting me for in your show.
Okay.
And my name is Yashovardhan Singh Tomar, as you already know that.
Hmm.
Okay, and so I'm a B at Byju's, and there's no much skills that I've gained in certificates or anything. I've just done graduation and some diploma courses, and maybe that's all you need to be a BD at Byju's. You don't need any specific qualifications to be a BD at Byju's. First of all, I think I should also explain what is a BDA. What does BDA
Yeah,
means?
okay, little
So,
bit. Just go ahead. Little bit explain about their profile that is BDA that actually Baidu provide. Little bit, not
so
much more.
BD,
Yeah.
BDA stands for Business Development Associates, the person who are responsible for the development of business. They bring in money to the company.
Okay.
That's all about BDA.
All right. So, Yashowardhan, it was your first interview, or have you also appeared in so many interviews before it?
No, actually, it was my first interview ever, and it's my first ever job. I've just joined this job just after my graduation, though I've got a delay of like 6 months because of COVID-19, as you all guys already know, and maybe you all have also be facing such issues getting jobs in COVID situations. But
Mhm.
I think I was pretty lucky to get such a nice job in such a nice company. So yeah, it was my first job.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So, in how many part have you given your interview?
So it is now a bit time ago. So
Mhm.
I guess it was a two-round interview. Firstly you have to register or you have to fill yourself for the interview, and then they call you for a first interview round. In that you are asked basic questions about yourself and why do you want to join this organization and why do you think you are fit for this job role.
Okay. So,
These were the
is
yeah.
this it was the first part or second, or in every single part they are such kind of questions? So just firstly let us know, and I think firstly they give us a kind of a telephonic interview round, right? Just
Yes, there was
telephonically
also
questions,
a
yeah.
telephonic
So
interview.
what they ask,
Right.
what they actually ask, not a specific questions, but you can give us a rough idea what they actually ask. Or
See, they just want to know that why do you want to get in the organization and why are you actually applying for it? And the basic questions they ask are you graduate or not? Are you comfortable in? They ask what languages are you comfortable in, and which is your city, and where would you like to work if you get selected? Just these basic questions.
all right, and after that you got the call for final interview round, or just for the first Zoom interview, I think, after
Yes, after the
calling part.
after some questions over a call,
Hmm.
the person who was taking my interview over a call, the same person joined me over a Zoom interview,
Okay.
and say usual questions. He just also asked me that why do I think I'm qualified for this role as BDA.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And in round two, the final round of the interview, it's
Hmm.
basically just that the person who is taking your interview, the level of the person is just increased. I think the second person who took my interview was a bit senior from the first person, and the way he was asking and the counters I was getting from him were a bit difficult. You know, you will face some really hard time in your final interview because he is a really, really qualified person who is asking you interviews and he will you cannot lie in that interview. I think it's not it. I will say I will just suggest you that you should be true to yourself when you're facing such interviews, because if you will lie, that those persons are
They will
so
catch.
qualified, they've already taken interview of thousands and thousands of people,
Yeah.
and they know when the person is lying.
Mhm.
So I would suggest that you should be just true while giving those interviews.
All right. So Yashowardhan, after giving your final interview round, okay, in how many days did you get your offer letter from Baiju's side?
Well, you won't believe, but my whole 3 rounds of interview went in just single day.
Oh,
Okay, it all started from the morning until night. I got a call that I've been selected through the interviews, and the next day I got the joining letter and the date from which I will be starting my training period.
okay, okay. But I think it was exceptional case just because it took around one
Even
week to first telephonic, then first Zoom, and then second Zoom, and then finally we got offer letter. So it might
I
take
too,
1 week.
yes, I too think so that it was exceptional, because I was also not expecting that all the 3 rounds would be going so quickly and in single day I would be selected. I
Okay.
was also not expecting such things.
Hmm. That was a great part for you. Okay, so the moment you got the offer letter and the call from the Baizus, right? How did you feel at that time? And this in this COVID-19,
Well,
like when the people are just they are trying to get a job, but they are not getting. So many people are trying in different sectors, and even so many people got fired. So how did you feel at that
mhm.
moment?
Well, I felt really lucky because, as you just mentioned, that people are not getting jobs, and I got a job in such a huge tech company, which is the world's largest tech company, and with its at such a good job role, and also if you will see, if you will go through their process, you will know what packages are they offering, and they are
Okay,
way better than other packages which a graduate person will get.
as a fresher, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, okay. That's really great. So, Yashovardhan, do you want to say something specific for those people who are just going to appear the Byju's video interviews? What they should, how they should prepare, or is there any specific thing that they have to learn that they need to master, or it's a normal for them if they are enough good at communication and speaking in front of the camera or people?
See, if I have to suggest people to prepare for the interview, I would just suggest that you should be very confident while talking, while giving your interview. That
Okay.
all matters, because they are not asking for any specific qualification. Like, they don't need an engineer or a master's or a doctorate degree. They
Hmm.
just need person who is confident and who speaks confidently, and who will meet customers and may talk like that only. They are just checking that only, that how confidently are you talking and how confident are you about yourself.
Okay, exactly. So I think this is a specific and most important part. Tell about yourself, introduce yourself. So in this part, we have to more and more confident whenever
Mhm.
we are speaking in front of the interviewer. And apart from that, like Yashovardhan, you have made a very good point that we need enough confidence. That is how we can easily crack. So is there any specific questions that we need to pre-prepare for that, or if we are enough confident about whatever we are speaking, so that will be fine for that person, or is there anything that they have to prepare in any specific thing they have to work?
Yes, I've noticed that thing, and I would say that whole interview is based on two questions only: that why do you want to join this organization, and why do you think that you are fit for this job role. These are
Okay.
the two basic questions that whole interview revolves around.
Oh, that was really nice, and definitely I think all the interviews who have to go, they have to keep in mind these questions, and
I
definitely
hope
it will
your
help.
viewers might be understanding, and it might be helpful for them.
Yeah, exactly. And also at the last point, just because definitely here we are using this English language, but I want to ask, this is a myth, what I also know, but it is really important to be enough good or just average. If your English is average, I mean, if you are enough good at Hindi and English and whatever the language you are speaking, your native language, that will be fine to crack Byju's interview. Or we need to master English language. What do you think on the basis of your experience?
Well, I don't think you need to master in English language. You just
Yeah,
need to be master in one of the languages. Okay, so they will be giving you the people you will be talking to will
yeah.
be also using that same language. For example, if you are comfortable in Hindi, then the company will be making you to talk only to those people who are also comfortable in English. But when you have a skill of I think if you are comfortable in English language, then your range is really expanded because if you see that how many people in world speak Hindi, I think mostly are Indians only. And if you talk about English, it is an international language and billions of people are talking about it. So in that way, you are connected to such a greater audience and you have a better scope of success.
Yeah, that is really good. So I think all the people now they have get a gist of that. It is not actually more important or specifically important. If you are enough confident with your Hindi language or maybe your mother tongue, go with that. But if you know about the English language, that will be helpful. Just because in this profile
One
you have to
one
deal with the people, parents. Yeah, yeah, Yashovardhan.
One more thing I would like to add that I don't have a other mother tongue there. I only speak Hindi and English. Okay,
Okay.
but people who speak Telugu, Marathi, and other languages, they have a plus point from than me because I cannot talk to people who only speaks Marathi or other languages. I'm only bounded to Hindi and English speaking people. But if somebody speaks Marathi or other languages, then they have a better chances and they get a separate pool of people, which I'm not
Exactly, exactly.
reaching to.
Yeah, so I think this part will be definitely helping a lot of people, and now they got very, very clear idea that there is no language barrier in the Byju's interviews. The only thing that we
Exactly.
need enough confident, no matter in which language we
Yes.
are speaking. And it is very normal just because we have to talk with the parents and students, right? So we know in all over the India there are few parents who are speaking, mostly parents, they are speaking in mother tongue. Few students, they are speaking in English language. So I think that will be enough for today, Yashovardhan. And it was really a great thing that you have shared your experience. And definitely we will be coming just because I think you are working here for so long time. So definitely in another part we will be sharing your experience. You will be sharing your experience in this video part, right? But today I think it is enough. But I hope it will help so many people, right? So
Thank you, Dhruv. Thank you for joining me in. I hope I have been helpful to you
yeah,
in any way you want. And I would be really happy if you let me in again. There's no issue about it.
yeah.
Yeah, anything
That will
for
be
you,
also
Dhruv.
pleasure for me, and that will be good for also the audience if they are getting something from this video. Guys, definitely comment if you have any questions. You can easily comment Yashovardhan or I will get you, and I will be also putting my email ID so that you can guys ask any questions, okay, whatever you want. Or if you want to connect us, you can connect us in Instagram, in
Guys, if you want to reach out to me, just directly contact to Dhruv. He is always connected to me, and he will always be sharing the things with me
yeah,
also.
I will be putting your profile ID in a description box, so all the people if they want to directly ask any questions, you can ask questions, okay? So
Sure,
I
yeah, why
hope
not?
it will be helpful. I hope it will be helpful. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Yashovardhan.
Okay, see ya.